To scale it, you're going to click the little tool that looks like a ruler. So I'll click that, and that's the scaling tool. Then I'll come down to my scale. I'm going to zoom in.
There you
close
go.
to this. And this is scaled in feet. Some are in meters, some are in feet. So I'm going to click right here on this line. And then I'm going to drag all the way over to the far right. And I'm going to get right on this line as closely as I possibly can. And that's why you want to zoom in so you get the most accurate scaling possible.
And if you notice, it's already scaled for you.
It's pretty doggone close. So I'm 0.1 feet off of that. So when I
But your left-hand side is just a little to the left. So you're
move that over or do it again. I can do it again. I'll just click here and drag. Oh, I still got a little bit to the left. And I've got my glasses on and everything, Kevin. I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
You're not doing anything wrong. And that's 30.1. It is very, very close.
You're very close. And there's 30. So now I'm going to hit enter or just click off of it. And now it's scaled. Or did I click off of it? I clicked off of it. Come over here and see if I can get right on 30 again. If I do it twice, I'm a magician, right? That's pretty close. 30.3, 30.2. I'm just going to cheat. There's 30. So there's my scaling. I right click and it'll save that to 30 feet. Now here's another advantage. I'm going to zoom back out. Let's say I need to know for my cable runs, how long is this hallway? I can measure that now because I have a scale. I know exactly how long it's going to be when I run that across there. So I can trust that because I've scaled it. It's a little more trustworthy than just guessing. And you can just read these tools left to right if you want to. So you can make a note in your map with this next section. So I can either make a specific note or I can make a cable note and choose my cable, know where the cables are going to go back to a server room and trace out the cable runs. So it'll help me with my bill of materials later so I'll know how much cable I have to put in. Then we have walls, just in general. So I can draw walls freehand now and add things there that I found when I did my inspection. I can choose to draw attenuation areas. If I don't know what's in a space, maybe it's not there, but they're telling me we're going to put 100 chairs in here and we're going to have big meetings in here all the time. So I can draw an attenuation area and then choose human bodies as my attenuated value for that whole area because people are going to be moving around and humans are made mostly of liquid, which attenuates RF pretty well. So if we have a lot of people in the area, it's not going to be as open to Wi-Fi as we did a survey when nobody's there. So this will help me do a little predictive modeling by guessing what might be there. You can also, I love this tool for multi-story buildings. On floor 2 and up, you can draw a hole in the floor, and that will be like the open area for the atrium going up because the RF signals from the floors are going to diffract in and out of each other, and APs that are near that opening are going to have to be given a little bit more attention in your channel planning to avoid creating co-channel interference for yourself. Fortunately, you can plan in all 3 dimensions with this, so it works out really well.